Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make this quick and super easy full of the buns oven baked barbecue ribs. Oh my god, this was so delicious. As you can see, the meat of falling off the buns. Oh my god, this was so easy. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. To start, you're going to wash your ribs. After you finish washing your ribs, and now you're going to remove the membrane of the ribs. This is so important, guys, to remove. You have to remove it in the ribs. Very important. As you can see, sometimes it's a struggle to remove the membrane. Sometimes it's not easy. As you can see, I was struggling at the beginning, but I got it. After I remove the membrane, now I'm gonna clean it a little bit more, remove some fat. After I clean it, remove some fat, I washed it a little bit more. Then now I'm pat drying it. Take some paper towel so you can pat dry the ribs. Now I'm going to prepare the seasoning. As you can see, this is all the seasoning of the screen. You can pause the video if you like so you can take a screenshot, or you can see all the seasoning that I'm using to season the ribs. So mix all the seasoning very well until well combined. And now you can use mustard if you like, but me, I like to use this smoke liquid, so that can help the seasoning to stick in the ribs. But you can use mustard, yellow mustard, if you like. And now we're going to season this bad boy. We're gonna season both sides. As you can see, the first side already well seasoned, but we're gonna flip it to season the other side. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. You guys can't tell me this doesn't look good. Oh my god, well seasoned. This was so good. And now it's time for us to bake. As you can see, now we're gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours at 375 degrees. We're gonna leave it like in the oven like that, and bam, after 2 hours, this is how it looks. Oh my god, it smells so good. Now we're going to add our barbecue sauce. You can add any barbecue sauce you like, any of your favorite. I love to use some like some spicy barbecue sauce because I like it a little bit spicy. You can use like some smoked barbecue sauce. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. This Do y'all see how bomb that look? That looks so good. And now we're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, how barbecue ribs is ready. Oh my god, this is so tender, juicy. Oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. Please let me know if you're going to try it. Comment down below to let me know if you're going to try it. This was so easy. Oh my god. You see how juicy that looks so juicy, guys. You cannot tell me this doesn't look bomb. Oh my god, this is so good. Y'all see how bomb that look? That looks so bomb, yeah. Oh my god, that was it for today, guys. You know, guys, I ate it with some plantain and some Haitian pickles. That was so good. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.